Let's bring in NBC News legal analyst Danny Cevallos for more on this story. So, Danny, we know Peña is already facing 15 criminal charges. Looking at them, what stands out? And do you think more serious charges could be added down the line?
Yeah, firing a weapon from inside a vehicle, firing into a dwelling. A number of assault charges are possible. And frankly, I wouldn't be surprised if we see attempted murder that tacked onto this. If it hasn't been already, this is a fluid story. So they're going to hit him with everything they can. Why they haven't already, maybe just because they're firming up their investigation, but expect them to throw the proverbial book at this suspect.
To that point here, we know that Peña has a criminal history.
He does.
We just heard in Halley's reporting, he's an election denier. How much of that do you expect will influence the trial?
He was convicted of burglary and related crimes. He was convicted in 2008. He served about 7 years. Now, the rules of evidence in New Mexico mirror those of the federal rules, and prior criminal convictions can come in if they satisfy what's called the 403 test. And it means that the prejudice or the probative value, in other words, the relevance of it, must outweigh the prejudicial effect. So just to give a silly example, if someone's convicted of marijuana use 30 years earlier, that's the kind of conviction that the prejudicial effect would far outweigh the probative value. But in a case where you're dealing with maybe felony burglary, that might come in. So the answer is it really depends on the judge, but it could come in. And that kind of evidence is devastating.
Albuquerque police have said they have new evidence linking Peña to at least one of the crimes. Let's take a listen to them.
On the last shooting, we now have evidence, too, that Peña himself went on this shooting and actually pulled the trigger on at least one of the firearms that was used.
So what's the impact of that sort of evidence, and what other evidence are prosecutors going to be looking for here from police as they try and put this case together?
Actually, thanks to conspiracy laws, he doesn't need to pull the trigger on each outing as long as he entered into some unholy agreement and took any substantial step towards completing that. That's why the getaway driver can be charged with the same crimes as the person who pulled the trigger. And that includes the mastermind who may be back at his apartment just monitoring it on his cell phone. That's why we have conspiracy law to hold everybody accountable who enters into an illegal agreement. So whether he pulled the trigger or not, it certainly will be relevant to the jury in terms of aggravating the situation. But thanks to those kinds of laws, we can hold everyone responsible who conspires to commit a crime.
Such a bizarre story, and those alarming details in Halley's report. Danny Cevallos, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.